All right, boys and girls, and as you can tell by this title of this video, this one's gonna be pretty important. I'm not gonna lie, this might be the most important video that you've watched if you decided to run ads for your credit repair business. And if you're anything like me and you don't want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars just testing SHIT, if you're like me, anything like me, you just want to get straight to the effing mother effing point, and you just want to start making some money right away, start having your ads convert right away, then you're going to want to actually pay attention to this video, maybe even take some notes. And one quick thing, just to get you guys like hyped up. Yeah, I got a new sexy haircut. I know. Let me know down in the comments below who's the most sexiest YouTuber down below. Do it. I just know it's already going to be me. But not the point of this video. I want to talk about something. Why do I feel like I should be a good fit? Why I am a great fit to be able to talk to you about this? Well, because I've experimented, I've spent the money, I've been in your position, and I've tested it out, spent thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars testing and finding solutions for credit repair Facebook ads. I can confidently say I know how to run an ad for credit repair. I can confidently say I can confidently read a Facebook ad account when it comes to credit repair and know what you're doing wrong. I can confidently understand what you need to do in order to turn your campaign into a successful one. Okay. And I can confidently say that because I've spent over 100,000. I've already spent over half a quarter mil, half a mil. I'm gonna call. Why are people calling me right now? Don't people know I'm recording right now? Dang it, man. All right. What I was saying is I confidently spent over $250,000 in Facebook ads throughout my many different credit repair clients and even towards my own business as well. So what I'm trying to say is I've been through it. I've made those mistakes and I've figured out those solutions. So if you want to get straight to the point, if you want to learn how to put $1 in and get like 6x out, and one thing, by the way, once you do that, once you figure out how to put $1 in and even get like $3 out, even that $1 in, $3 out, whatever, you're pretty much printing money. Let me just make sure you guys kind of understand this, because this is actually a really cool concept. Once you figure out how to put, it's not, I mean, we can get it to six. We can get $1 in, we can get six out. You can get $1, we can even get 10 out if you're really good. You really have to be really amazing and really know what you're doing. But typically, what people should shoot for is you put $1 in, you get $3 out. Now, think about it like this: if you put $1 in, now this is not only counting Facebook ads, it's counting everything. All right, your entire business. If you figure out how in your business how to put $1 in and get $3 out, all right, put $10 in, get $30 out, put $100 in, get $300 out, put $1,000 in, get $3,000 out, put in $100,000 in, get $300,000 back, million, 3 million back. Now think about it like this: it's so easy to do that with Facebook. Like, you just add zeros on the keyword. So once you understand the algorithm, what it takes to put $1 in, put $3 out, all you have to do is just add zeros in your keyword. That's really how it is. But the thing is, most people, like anything else in this world, they think they want to get instant gratification. They think that they can just do it just by doing the first try. And let me tell you guys, that's not how it is. Okay, so if you're here in this video and let me just save you we save you the speech. If you're looking at this video just to figure out the instant solution, I'm gonna tell you right now that it's not gonna happen instantly. There's no such thing as instant gratification. There's anything that is worth it. It's gonna take working for. That being said, let's get to this video. And what I'm going to do, how I'm going to structure this video, I'm probably going to make this a series, okay? And this specifically in this portion, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking out my handy dandy sketch pad. I know you guys love how I draw. Come on, I'm the best artist around, best YouTube artist around. Come on now, right? But what I'm trying to say is in this series, and I know I do talk a lot, but in this series, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be talking about different types of ad quality. And I think this is important for you to kind of understand, because yeah, Facebook ads gives you numbers. They give you lead costs. They give you cost per lead, whatever. But overall, what really matters is, are you making money off of that? So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you kind of how it works when it comes to ad quality in the credit repair market. And what no better way of doing this is pulling out my handy dandy whiteboard over here and just kind of drawing it out for you. All right. because this is a really cool concept that I think you guys understand. Obviously, if you haven't already seen the video where I talk about making an offer, I think that's super important as well too. Make sure you check that out. Just go to my YouTube channel, search up how to create an offer. Bam, instant, right? But yeah, so let's just talk about this. This is just draw a spectrum right here. Boop. Oh, I mean, take our notes there. Dang it. All right, go over here. Boom. All right. So now there's quality, Q up here, and this one's Q down. Quality lowest over here, quality the highest over here. And what I'll even do is I bring out some ads just to show you as an example. Okay. So lowest quality ads. Now this is what you're gonna have to optimize for, because the lower the quality is, the cheaper it's gonna cost, but the least likely they are to convert. The higher the quality are, the more expensive it is, and the easier it is to convert, the more likely they are to convert. What I'm trying to say about this is that you're gonna have to understand. You're gonna have to understand where in this middle point, is perfect for you. Maybe it's not necessarily in the middle. Maybe it's over here. Maybe it's over here. Who knows? Every business is completely different. Okay, but I'm just going to help you understand how to optimize. This is the point of this video: how to optimize ad credit repair Facebook ad quality. All right, as you can tell by the title of this video. All right, but cool. So let's get straight to the motherfucking point. Let's go. All right, so lowest quality, very simple. All right, I have a couple ads. I'm going to show you. It's going to be no pricing. All right, no targeting. Okay, this is a Facebook target for you. All right, just do automatic targeting, and I think it's even parentheses is recommended. All right, and then no pricing in the ad, no pricing in the description, short copy usually. Let's get straight to the freaking point. Okay, and in the ad, very minimalist picture. Minimalist picture. All right, I want you guys to think I'm smart, not like I can't spell. Some words I can't spell, I'm not gonna lie. All right, but I know what I'm talking about. Okay, that's why I just have Grammarly to help me spell. Okay, so cool. Now with higher quality, now we're gonna start talking about, you're gonna have to bring in pricing into the ad. You might want to add a couple of surveys in the actual funnel. All right, copy is usually around long tail copy. I mean, you do get some well, this kind of have to be tested as always, but it could be short to long copy. Typically it's longer copy. Okay, and the picture is more informative. All right, pretty much it could be short and long copy. I'm just trying to say the copy has to be informative and show exactly what they're going to get, and kind of like for what price. All right, so now this is a kind of a good range to go here. So what I'm going to do now is keeping this in mind here. I know I just said that twice, but I'm going to say a third time. Keeping this in mind, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some ads that kind of go around this. All right, so let me pause my video and pull these things out and put these suckers out. All right, cool. So let me just show you really quick now an example of increasing the ad quality. Okay, so now let me show you let me show you a couple of examples of ads where it's to start at low quality and then we're going to go up to like higher quality. Okay, so the beginning of the spectrum is going to be something like this. We pretty much get straight to the point. All right, we get straight to the point. It's nothing too crazy. You're not really specifying exactly what we're doing, not specifying too much on the cost, but we're specifying, hey, we fix credit. All right, we have a picture over here of a credit score increase. Over here's another good one, and over here's another good example over here where we're just fixing credit. This is part of the low spectrum. This one usually, for me, this one converts the lowest cost. Okay, but over here, as you can see, by the type of this copy is straight, very straight to the point. You get straight to it, like, hey, we fix credit costs, we need the credit fix, clicker need credit fix. It's very simple, nothing too informative is what I'm trying to say. All right, so that's on the lower quality side, but also lower cost per lead. Now, what I tell all my students is to start out with that, start out with a lower cost, start out with a lower quality lead, start out with something just so you can get leads in initially. And then based upon those consultations, based upon how those leads happen, what happens with those leads, then you're gonna get a good understanding whether or not you should stay at that quality or whether or not you should add a survey and increase the quality, okay? Or do a couple other things which I'm gonna tell you guys about to increase the quality. All right, so another couple more things that you can do. All right, so another example of kind of increasing quality is this one over here. It's a great example. Let me make this a little bigger so you guys can see. Now, what this one is just a renter to a home buyer type of ad. So now this is getting more specific, as you can tell. So now I'm specifically targeting people that want to stop renting their house I'm specifically targeting people that want to stop renting and they want to become a home buyer. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put up an ad like this that shows mortgage $915 and rent $1,200. And what I'm going to do is the ad copy really doesn't get too much more specified. It just starts talking about what is this one? People think credit takes too long to fix and expensive. It's just really not too specified about the actual rental to home buyer. What I might be able to do here to add more quality over here is actually start talking about in the actual ad copy that it's cheaper to have a mortgage than to rent. Okay, something like that. That's more specified and tailored to renter to a home buyer. In addition, what I might do in this targeting wise to increase the quality is what I'm probably would do is for this type of ad, I'll probably go to detailed targeting. I'll go to detailed targeting and I would look for people that are interested in realtor.com, people that are interested in Zazzle, people that are interested in first time house buyer, people that are interested in homes.com, any of these like websites where people probably look for homes. And then what I'll probably do is I'll probably narrow down that targeting, put another option on there so that people of those categories must also fit into this category, pretty much what it means. And that category that we narrow down to would probably be like Credit Karma. So what I would have it done, how I would have the detailed targeting filtered is that people that are interested in like realtor.com must also be interested in Credit Karma. Okay, so interested in actually fixing their credit score, so they're actually more motivated. What this does is just simply adds a little bit more quality to it. Okay, so as you can see over here, these are kind of lower end quality. All right, lower cost for conversion. As you keep on going up here, this one might be, well, not might, this one is a little bit more higher quality. If I start talking about in the copy where rent and if I start tailoring the copy towards a specific person, towards a specific target audience, then it's adding more quality. As I start targeting the actual targeting options, the detailed targeting options towards a specific target market, then it's going to add more quality, things like that. Let me show you a couple more ads just to kind of amplify what I'm trying to say, to kind of explain what I'm trying to say. Let me pause this recording real quick. All right, cool. Here's a great example here. And this is a great example over here. So now this is more quality over here. I don't know why I just popped up all the way over here to Discord. Come on now, just be nice to me here. Recording here. I don't whatever. All right, this is as you can see, it's more detailed. It's more specific and it's specifically telling people that, hey, this is what's going to cost in order to get your credit fixed. As you can see over here, I'll show you a couple more of these ads. I don't know why it goes all the way over there just to show you this stuff. See why? This is what I don't like about Max, to be honest. I know I'm ranting right now. I know you guys want to hear this from me, but this is what I really don't like about Max. But whatever, I'm gonna deal with my rant so you guys can like learn some stuff. So I can help you guys out. Like it goes all over there. Like, what's the point of that? I'm trying to bring it over to this page. Can't you tell? Like, isn't this obvious, Mac? That's how you would be a little smarter. Whatever. Over here, like I said, as you can tell, these are just adding some more quality by actually showing the prices off. Okay, so what that would be in correlation to this little beautifully drawn quality chart over here, that's probably going to be more on this side where you're actually showing the price over here. It's probably going to be over here, we're actually showing the price. Whereas maybe first time house buyers are from the renter to a home buyer. That might be somewhere around like here, over here. And those stock pictures, the green one that shows like an increase in credit score, it showed like 750 plus is possible. It'll probably be somewhere around here. Okay. And that price one that it showed probably around there. So realistically, guys, what this mainly comes down to is, like I said in the very beginning of this video, is it mainly comes down to just testing it. You're never gonna know what happens until you test. And this is when it really comes down to also having a solid ad manager. I'm not saying I'm gonna run your ads for you guys. You can hire your own. You don't have to choose me. I even have a lot of clients. I'm a little busy for that, but I can show you some other options. But what I'm trying to say is, even if you hire like an ad manager, they need to be confident enough in telling you that, or no, you have to have a great communication with the ad manager. Okay, if you're doing that, if you're hiring that out, if you're running the ads yourself, I mean, which you absolutely can, and I encourage you to do so, so you can learn about this. Then you just gotta understand that you need to optimize, you need to test, understand your leads. Stop calling me. You understand? Sorry, guys, someone's calling over here. Stop it. What I'm trying to say is you got to understand your leads. All right, you got to understand the quality of your leads. And for those of you guys that want to actually receive all these ads over here, all right, for those of you that want to receive all these ads, oops, oh boy, do I have something for you. All right. For those of you guys who want to receive all the ads, I actually do have a little $47 cheap challenge for you guys. All right, pretty much in this 2-week credit repair client acquisition challenge, what you get is a credit repair blueprint, okay, which shows you how to optimize your social media. Pretty much it puts down the foundations for you to actually run ads. It gives you all the ads, it gives you all the targeting, okay. It gives you this beautiful credit repair plan of attack that shows you how to target, shows you how to actually test. This overall just keeps you guys just more organized, okay. It gives you a choice of your funnel templates. It gives you a little post, how to create viral posts. And I even have a little training over here that shows you how to get free traffic, that shows you how to run paid ads. Okay. Shows you how to get all these credit repair leads. Okay. How to even get more referrals if you want to. Well, obviously, you want to. But pretty much ultimately what it does is going to give you everything you need to be able to make your calendar look like this. And guys, it's only $47. I pretty much, like I said, I give you everything. I give you everything to run your own ads. Okay. So you can get your calendar booked up, guys. If you're interested in that, guys, check that out. The links down below in the description below. If you want to do something like that, pretty simple, guys. You get a lot of stuff for that. It's only $47. All right, all right. Enough of my shameless promo over there. All right. What I'm trying to say, guys, is as always, when it comes to ads, you got to test stuff. Okay, and you guys should probably understand that when you come into this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a couple more ads regarding Facebook ads. I'm going to make a couple more ads. I'm going to make a couple more videos regarding Facebook ads, how to optimize different things like that. All right. Let me know this, guys, if this helped you guys. And if always, guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and advice, whatever you guys freaking need, guys, you can always comment down below. You can always schedule a call in the description down below, or I might put up a phone number down in the description, which is my business phone number, and we can get in contact there. We can text back and forth. Okay. Or guys, if you also want to just directly send me a message, go to facebook.com/natblade, facebook.com/natblade. Okay, and that'll go to directly to my personal Facebook profile, and that's usually where I respond the quickest. But thank you guys for watching. As always, guys, I'll talk to you all later. Also, if you have a recommendation for a video, guys, put it down below in the comment below. If you guys need help, join my Facebook group, comments what you need, guys. Wow, I'm so much shameless promos over here going right now. But it's gonna help you guys, I'm trying to say. You join my Facebook group, guys, you can put up a little post there. I can respond to you guys quickly. All my different ways of contacting me, guys. I'm just trying to help you guys, what I'm trying to say. All right. Whatever you need, let me know, guys. Talk to y'all later. Peace out.